abebembeza baronzerwe barabwirwe kugamba no bakora na nokutungura itendekerere na nabeje baryo.
Listening, leading and serving you with integrity, passion and dedication.
We didn't participate in the University League, but this time around, with my capabilities, I will make sure that I network with the administration through working hand in hand, so that we can also compete with the other universities in inter-university league.
Participate in recruitment efforts such as hosting open days and sharing their success stories on digital platforms.
Entebe y'obwa Guild President ebire esimbirwa abantu bashatu kandi owo mujono Osmas n'wasinjire na n'ubururu bitani 12 yakuratirwa asingwire Amuneti na n'ubururu bishatu 9 na mushanju kandi James Gumisereza yakwatogwa hamuheru na n'ubururu 59.
Don't forget that you are here as a student. Whether a student leader or not, your primary role is education. So please guard it with care. Make sure that you read books. You don't just go into, leadership and all that, and you forget that you are a student here.
Abanda bebembeza baronzerwe harimo ba MPs ba faculties aho Nelson Mandela asinzire aka humanities, Joshua Arekaho akasinga ka science hamwe n'abandi nkabaji RCZ. Amakuru agagasha kwa Mayiko atwakire.